The following is a demonstration of Reed Manufacturing's new electric hydrostatic test pump, Model 500. Begin by installing the water supply line to the pump. Please note that the connection between the fitting and the hose must be snug to keep outside air from entering the pump. Reed's test pump has a feature that allows the operator to control water discharge while priming the pump. Insert a tube into the open end of the discharge valve. This tube will control the discharge of water from the pump. Then, open the bleed-off valve. The open end of the discharge tube is placed into a bucket. This controls the direction of the water discharge. Next, turn on the electric motor. This next step is known as priming the pump. It allows the water to circulate through the system and push out any air inside the pump. After all the air is purged out of the line, close the bleed-off valve and turn off the motor. Next, attach the output hose, which features a quick connect coupling. Open the valve located next to the coupling to allow water out of the pump. Turn on the pump. And then open the valve, allowing water to enter into the system being tested. Watch the pressure gauge on the output valve at all times as it builds. If pressure into the system needs to be adjusted up or down, it can be done so by turning the pressure regulator knob. Continue watching the pressure gauge until it reaches the required test pressure point. The test pressure point is predetermined by the amount of pressure the system requires to adequately check for leaks. Once that pressure is reached, close the valve on the pump. And then close the valve to the system being tested. You should now turn off the motor. When the system is being checked for leaks, it is best to turn off the motor to avoid excessive heat buildup. This concludes the demonstration of Reed Manufacturing's new electric hydrostatic test pump. Reed's electric hydrostatic test pump comes in two models, Model 500 and Model 500C. Model 500C comes equipped with a cage to protect the unit during transportation to and from the job site. Both models include a 15-foot output hose with a quick connect coupling. For further information, go to the Reed website at www.reedmfgco.com.